Hi guys, this is Auto Exquisite Detail. My name is Lee and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review on the Karcher 4001 Spray Extractor Vacuum. So I'm going to start off by unboxing it and telling you all some of the specs. Then I'm going to move on to a demo and then give you all my review at the end. So with all that guys, let's get started. Also guys, before we start, I actually picked this up from the cleaning clinic. They sell a wide range of Karcher products and accessories. They also sell detergents, some of which they actually manufacture in-house. So here I actually have their cleaning clinic upholstery cleaner and their carpet cleaner. These are some affordable cleaners and they come in 750ml bottles and they make 80 liters of cleaning solution. So they sent me these to try out with the spray extractor, and if you do want to purchase them, I'll leave the links in the description. Please also make sure to read the instructions very carefully before using any of these products. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing of it. Okay, so first up we have the vacuum bag. This can be used as a wet and dry vacuum, of course. We have the large floor extraction nozzle. So this has the spray and the suction. We have the large floor vacuuming nozzle. We have these two extension nozzles. And then we have the brush and squeegee attachment for the floor accessory. Then we have the actual spray extractor main unit. So on the back of the unit, you have your tank that you put your water and cleaning solution in. And I believe inside there are a few more accessories, so we're going to open that up. So inside we have the foam wet and dry filter with, I believe, some detergent. Let's open this up and have a look. There we have the foam filter. Okay, that's to attach it to the vacuum. Then inside we have the smaller brush and squeegee attachment for the extractor accessory. We have the smaller upholstery nozzle with the brush. We have the even smaller crevice nozzle. Here we have the spray hose and gun. And then we seem to have a bunch of these clamps which are used to route the spray hose along the extension. And last we have the wheels which fit on the bottom of the tub. Like I said guys, this is the 4001. The SE4002 has everything you see here but with the small upholstery nozzle that you can use, of course, for your couches or even your car. Now this is probably the main thing that I'm going to use because of course I do detailing. So if you bought the SE4002, these will be included in the box. Other than that, all the accessories and specs are identical. Sorry guys, I know in the video I said that the 4001 and 4002 are identical. I found out afterwards and after using the machine that that is not actually the case. Yes, the specs of the two machines are identical, but the attachments you get are different. So besides the car nozzle attachment being not included in the 4001, on the 4002 you get a different spray trigger and an integrated hose into the vacuum hose, and on the 4001 you do not. So once again, sorry about that guys. When I was filming the first part of this review, I didn't actually know about the slight difference. Okay, with that out the way, let's continue. Okay guys, so I'm going to assemble everything and get back to y'all. Okay guys, the machine is fully assembled as you can see, and I assembled it using the smaller upholstery nozzle. One thing I forgot to mention in the unboxing is that you get the instruction manual. You need to use this to assemble the machine. Okay, so I have the carpet cleaner here and I'm going to mix the cleaning solution and then put it in the reservoir in the back. Of course, follow the instructions on the bottle for the dilution ratios. The reservoir in the back is 4 liters, so make sure you don't overfill it. The spray rate is 1 liter per minute, so you're going to get 4 minutes of continuous spray usage out of this cleaner. Okay, so we're all filled up. Let's see how it does. So I feel there are two ways you can use this machine. The first being to put the cleaner in the back tank and then top it up with water and then use the machine directly, just spraying and extracting. Make sure not to use an overly concentrated solution in the back of your tank, otherwise you're going to leave a sticky residue on your carpet or seats. The second way to use this machine, and the way I would probably use it most often, I feel that this is the more effective way, is to fill the back tank with just plain water. Then you spray your carpet or fabric cleaner directly onto your carpet or fabric. You can then use a brush to agitate it if necessary, and then use the spray extractor with just plain water to extract either your carpet or your seats. I feel that this way lets the stronger undiluted cleaner work better, and when you extract with plain water, you don't have any risk of leaving any residue behind in your carpet or seats. So guys, yes, it definitely did work. The carpet is a bit damp as you'd expect. One thing to note when you're using the machine is to keep it, upright so that the nozzle has a good seal with the carpet so that the suction is strong enough to extract the water. So guys, yes, I do think that this is a good little machine. Like I said, I'm going to primarily be using it for detailing, but it comes with a wide range of accessories, so you can use it all around the house. So one quick tip, after you've done doing the extraction with the solution, you want to fill some clean water in the reservoir and then do another extraction to try and get any residue out of the carpet. All in all, I think it's a great machine, and it definitely does help in cleaning carpets, and it makes it a whole lot easier than doing it by hand. Well guys, that's it for the review. If you want to check out this machine or any others, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like and also subscribe to the channel for more of my future videos. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below. So with all that guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.